Welcome to iTech tutorial. To draw a rectangular hyperbola or a hyperbola using rectangular method, the first step to take is to draw a horizontal and a vertical line intersecting at a point. I have already done this step. Now I will name the point where the horizontal and vertical line intersect O and the end of the horizontal line, A, and also the end of the vertical line, B. Done that, I will draw another horizontal line parallel to the first horizontal line and intersecting the vertical line at a point. I will label the point where the line intersects the vertical line, E. I will also draw a vertical line parallel to the first vertical line I drew. The line will intersect the two horizontal lines I drew. This step can be done this way. Having done that, I will label the point where the line intersects the first horizontal line, which is line OA, D, and I will label the point where the line intersects the second horizontal line, P. The next thing is to draw two thin dash lines, with each line intersecting the second vertical line at different points. This step can be done this way. I will also draw two dash lines from point O intersecting the horizontal line. Next, I will draw a thin dash line from the point where the first line I drew from point O intersect the vertical line parallel to line OA, and another thin dash line from the point where the line I drew from point O intersect line PE. These two lines should intersect at a point. This step can be done this way. I will repeat the same procedure for the other thin dash lines I drew from point O intersecting the vertical line. I will follow these same procedures for the two dash lines I drew from point O intersecting the horizontal line. Having done all of these steps, it is time to produce the curve. I will produce the curve using my French curve. Hyperbola has been drawn successfully. You can follow these easy steps to draw any given hyperbola. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, you can drop it at the comment section. Please subscribe to this channel. Also let us know your opinion and how you feel about this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. See you in my next video.